What's up guys, and welcome to this video. Special thanks to Mercedes-Benz in Košice in Slovakia. What's up guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how this Parktronic in the new B-Class is doing the maneuver and how it looks from the outside when a car is parked. So hey guys, leave a comment down below, give this video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's go! Should find here space. Okay, but thinks it's okay, so this place. So guys, if you want to park, press drive, then this Parktronic sign and do what the car tells you to do. So drive forward, slow speed, and the car will search for the parking spots. So I want this, confirm to park, put in the reverse, and now the car will do everything for you basically. So just don't worry and rely on the car. So the car is maneuvering now. And you can also apply the brake. So the car has sensors, so don't worry, and it's doing pretty good job for this. Okay, so parking assist finished. So basically you can turn off the car and where is it, and go away, but I'm not going away. I'm going to show you how this car parked, because that's what we want to know. So this is how the car parked. This is enough space on the each side, equally the same size space, and so this is a great maneuver. Also here is like line up really nicely. Here is a line. So yeah, fantastic job Parktronic. I really like this system. This is useful for people which don't know how to park correctly, or yeah, mostly this can also park in parallel parking. So yeah, this is a great system. If you want to use Parktronic to go out from the parking space, then start the car. Beautiful multi-beam. And press the Parktronic. And then it says where you want to go from the space. So I want to go here. Now to need to put in the reverse, and it goes automatic. Just watch the surroundings if everything is good. So first time you try this, you can be in stress a little bit. But don't worry, this is working great. Okay, and now I need to take over the steering wheel. So also I pushed my seat a little bit backward to show you how this looks. So at the moment I have a route guidance in the middle, but you can change it. I will show you in a different video, in a full review. So if I change the temperature with this toggle, then vents should change their color. So if I want to have a If I want to have a more hot, then it changes. And if I would have like a different lights, let's say in the ambience I want sun yellow. Then if I press and want like a cooler, then it changes to blue. And if I want more hot air, then changes to red. So this is different. So this is interesting feature, really nice. So let's make an overview of the ambience lighting. So first, color scheme is ocean blue. So this is similar to purple sky, but it's more like everything is blue. Purple sky, it's like something is purple, something is blue. Like this is more like a blue, purple. This is a blue. This line. So vents are like a purple. Red moon, which is my favorite in a lot of cars, is here is like a pinkish, reddish color. Also here, but the vents stay blue. So this is great. Also fire red is like everything is red. This is a little bit like orange, or yeah, like orange. Also this is like orange, vents are red. So dawn blue mixes blue and like orange yellow colors. Sun yellow, I showed you, is like everything is yellow. Then jungle green is like yeah, it's like a green, and this is like a light green, and this is more green. So you can have really a lot of different colors. Glacier blue, it's like a light green, and this is like a light blue, so you feel like on the glacier, like in the mountains. Color flash, these like should change colors, but yeah, maybe you need to drive, not sure. Color mix is like everything is different. This is green, yellow, orange, red. So I really don't like this. This is like weird for me, but maybe you like it. So everybody is different. So red moon is maybe my favorite, and also purple sky. So also if you turn off this multicolor, you can have a single color. You can also change it with the finger. So now it's like a white, now it's like a pinkish. And you can have it red. So yeah, 64 colors, I believe, but I really like a multicolor feature. So probably red moon is my favorite, or purple sky. So yeah, this is how it looks during, let's say, night. Also I want to show you different style, so you can have a progressive, which is like this, and it comes with this color like a preset, and then you can have a understated, so you see even less information. And then you can have a classic, it's like a blue. So really my favorite is a sport. I think it suits the AMG line, but you can set what you want. Also you can have a here map, you can have it in full screen. So that's really cool. You have also live traffic shown here, but you can also have a little map here. Okay, you can have a map here, so you are not going to be lost. So yeah, great car, and amazing, looks amazing during night. So you guys, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have more questions, also comment section down below. If you like it, give this video a like, share it with your friends. And yeah guys, that's all for this video, and check other my videos with B-Class, with A-Class and other Mercedes and AMG cars. So yeah guys, that's it, and have a great day, and I'll see you soon in the next video.